YouTube is a great place to binge content, especially if you can't decide what to watch. But watching things later can throw a wrench in your plans. My name is Adullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about where you can access the Watch Later feature playlist that keeps popping up on YouTube. Now, if you're using YouTube and if you're scrolling around videos, if you click on these three dots, you will have an option that says save to watch later. You might click on this to think that you'll watch the video later, and then you just can't find where the playlist is. Well, the easiest way to find it is open up YouTube on a desktop, open up the sidebar, which will be these three bars at the top left, and under you will see your watch later playlist. Just click on it and this will bring you to your entire watch later playlist as you want. Alternatively, if you don't want to access the watch later playlist from here and you just want to keep this bar collapsed, you can just click on the U button right here, and as you can see, your history and your playlists will automatically show up here. Now, a watch later is a separate section in here which comes at number 3 or number 4 most probably. So you can find your videos that you've added to watch later from here. If you're using YouTube on the phone though, it's a little bit of a different process. If you're using YouTube on the phone, the process is largely the same. All you have to do is tap on the U button in the bottom right. And in here, you will be able to see your watch later playlist under the playlists section. This will also include all of your other playlists. So just be sure to tap the right one. You may have to scroll a little bit depending on when you last accessed your watch later playlist, but it will appear under the playlist section. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.